Hi, everybody. It's time for another set of work samples. So this will be our second set for the school year. They are due on December 15th, day before our winter break. The first sample that I need will be for math. This is what it looks like. Make an addition sentence, compose within 10. It is 2 pages, front and back. Please put your child or student's name. I have used a funny name because I want you to note that if you have a hyphen, a double name, um, anything like that, please include whatever legal name you gave Kava. Please no nicknames or middle names or additional names that you did not give to Kava. Um, Also, it'll be November 30th, 2023. Your child or student may do it a day or two before or after. That's fine. If you're doing alternative work, you know who you are. Feel free to submit what you need to. This is Unit 6.5, Unit 6, Lesson 5, and it is page 1 of 2, page 2 of 2. For phonics, it's the same thing. Make sure you have the correct name. This is word families, so all they do is circle. It is also going to be November 30th, 2023, Unit 14, Lesson 3. For science, I have them doing something different because the lesson around those dates doesn't really provide for a worksheet or anything. I don't know. I decided to go this way. So, and this is okay to do. So, for science, I would like them to draw their favorite food to eat that is good for them. Label or write a sentence to tell me about it. So, I know everybody's kind of at different places with their writing. If they're just drawing a picture, that's fine. If they're drawing a picture and writing one word, that's absolutely fine too. If they're drawing a picture and writing a sentence, that's just as fine as well. Again, their full name, the date, you could put it as November 30th, 2023. You will not put a unit. You could just put unit NA, not Apple, not at, oh my gosh, I can't say the word. Sorry. NA, because I am relating it to what they're doing, but I'm doing a different type of sample. It is science. Please put science so I can tell the difference. Yeah, just in case. For the other one, for social studies or history, I have them drawing their favorite place to visit or someplace they'd like to go. It can honestly be anywhere. It can be, I had a student draw Walmart last year. It can be Walmart, it could be Paris, it could be my aunt's house, it could be whatever or wherever they would like to go. Again, November 30th, 2023, Unit NA, because I am relating it to the lesson, but not directly. And then social studies as the title, or you could write history if you'd like. All right, that's it. And make sure you get your PE login as well. Thank you so much again.